Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. What we have today is a quick video for a dish that's perfect for any party, any get-together, or if you're just sitting in front of the TV watching your favorite movie, your favorite sitcom, or whatever. We're going to utilize this. That's right, an avocado. Can you guess what it is? That's right, guacamole. So let's get to it. You're going to need 3 avocados. See that? When you buy your avocado, you want that intact. If this is gone, chances are it's going to be brown inside. When you pick an avocado, you want it dark, but you want it kind of firm with a little bit of give. Alright, you're going to need a lime. You're going to need a Roman tomato. You're going to need a jalapeno. I couldn't find any jalapenos, so I've got a serrano, which is very close to a jalapeno. An onion. We're going to do something different with the onion. I saw a recipe where somebody actually cut the onion up and then soaked it in a little bit of water for a while, and it takes that sharpness of the onion out and just gives it it kind of mellows the flavor. I'm going to try that. And then we're going to need cilantro. So the amount of cilantro I have here may vary because I love cilantro. And a clove of garlic. So I'm going to start with the onion. So it's got time to soak. Actually, I think half of that onion is going to be enough. I'm not even going to chop the other half. I'm going to put that in a container, and I'm going to put some cold water in it and let it soak for a while, and then we'll strain it real good before we add it, because we don't want too much water in there. Okay, so I'm going to let that soak. I'm going to start it in a bigger bowl, so this way I got plenty of room. If you don't know how to cut an avocado, just run it around, twist, and that's it. You can see that these are nice inside, they're not brown. Take a scoop, get it between the skin and the meat, and you can just scoop it out. So that's how you do the avocado. I'll do the others in a bit. Garlic. You want it really fine. I don't have a garlic press, so I'm just going to have to chop it up. All right. Just put that to the side for now. Tomatoes. You want to make sure you get rid of the seeds. Alright, so you want to kind of quarter it, take the inside out, and these are all my vegetables have been washed. Get rid of that. move that to the side. I don't want to make this too hot because my daughter's not going to like it if it's too spicy. So I'm going to remove the seeds, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to add all the pepper. I'm going to add a little at a time and taste it. Back to the avocados. Okay. Got my avocados. I'm just gonna run my knife through them real quick. I'm gonna mash them up. Just use a potato masher. All right, and then we're gonna start putting everything together, and we'll add the tomatoes. We'll add the garlic. I'm only going to add a little bit of that spice right now, a little bit less than half. I'm going to chop up all that cilantro that I had washed. Now I'm going to strain those onions. I'm just going to give them a quick press. And I'm going to add, so you can see this is probably about a couple tablespoons. I'm going to start with half the lime. If it needs more, we add more. Again, I love lime. Lime and cilantro, oh my God. It looks really colorful. I'm just going to give it a quick smash. Then I'm going to use my spoon. As you can see, 3 avocados doesn't make that much. And this will probably be gone in no time. Now I'm going to give it a taste. And of course, this is really going to have to sit in order to, for the taste, for the flavors to meld together. Need salt. Wash my spoon. All right, it's good, but it can be better. What I need to do, I need to add a little bit more heat. More salt. More lime. I'm going to add a little bit more cilantro. And that That trick with the onion really works. You get a slight onion taste. As a matter of fact, could probably use more onion, but I'm not gonna put it in. So, more cilantro. And that's it. There you have it. Guacamole. So that's a quick guacamole. You'll like it. It's like anything. Adjust the taste to your liking. If you want more salt, put more salt, more lime, whatever it is. You know, your hands aren't tied. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you again soon. And again, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Bye.